Hey guys, here we've got this vacuum sealer with a ton of these reusable bags inside. So the sealer itself is this nice little handheld piece right here, as you can see, and it's super intuitive to use. So you're gonna choose one of your bag sizes, either the big one or the small one. So right now, I'm gonna go with the small one, and you're just gonna open it up. Right now I'm gonna be vacuum sealing this bagel, so toss it on in. And then instead of just zipping it up regularly, they provide you with these little tools that make sure that it is completely sealed. All right, so there we go. And then you're just going to place this little silicone end right on the button here, and then it will automatically stop once it's done. So just with a simple push of the button, it will start to suction all of that air out, and then make sure that no bacteria or anything gets inside, and then wait for it. And that's it, it's done. Take it on off, and then check that out. Completely sealed, airtight, and then you can feel free to freeze this, and then you can come back and have your pastries a few months later. And then it is just as easy to open with that little zip lock on the top. So there you go. It's all ready to eat, perfectly preserved for however long that you've been keeping it for. And then if you need to recharge this, it's super easy with a little USB-C on the side. Give that a little charge. And then the silicone part on the bottom here also comes off if you need to give it a fresh clean. But other than that, super simple, easy to use. And you don't have to deal with those super big machines. You can vacuum seal anything from bagels to something bigger like a chicken dinner or whatever you're trying to save for a later date. So there you go.